In Module 2, we're going to learn how to scale an object. You're going to start with a block of wax and use your jeweler's saw and the file to remove a big majority of the material. Then we'll learn how to use the flex shaft in order to create a similar form to the object which you'll be scaling. As far as safety goes, there's a few things we need to remember when using the flex shaft. First, we want to remember to wear an apron to prevent our clothes from getting dirty. Second, safety glasses to prevent any debris that might be floating in the air to get inside of our eyes. 3 will be your respirator. We want to protect our respiratory system from any particulates that will be floating in the air. 4 will be to put your hair tied back. We want to prevent our hair from getting in our flex shaft, which could be very dangerous. Safety is very important. It's something we should consider before we ever start using any powerful tools. There's 3 basic components that make up the flex shaft. First is the handpiece. The handpiece is what you'll be putting your burrs into and has a chuck key to open and close it. Second is the motor. The motor is what you use to turn on and off the flex shaft, and it's what makes the flex shaft move. Number 3 is the foot pedal. The foot pedal is what controls the handpiece and makes it go fast or slow. When working with the flex shaft, we want to keep the speed of the flex shaft at a medium speed in order to prevent the burr from heating up too much, which could melt our wax. When using the flex shaft, you want to make sure that the burr is inserted into the handpiece as far down as it will go. To open the flex shaft, you turn your chuck key counterclockwise. And to close it, you go clockwise. We want to make sure that the burr is positioned in line with the handpiece and that all 3 jaws are touching the burr when you close it. If your burr is not inserted correctly, you'll notice here it spins in a very weird rotation. You'll loosen it and then tighten it to make sure that it's aligned straight. Your AutoFry kit comes with a variety of shapes. Depending what part of the wax you're trying to remove or what shape you're trying to create will determine which burr to choose. First, I scribed the wax using the pin tool in order to map out my piece and see which material to remove. Then I used the cylinder burr to rough out my form to get a basic shape. Next, I used the round burr, which has a C shape, and created a negative space for the eye socket of the chameleon.